So the Surface Duo 2 has been sold out for almost a year now from Microsoft.com. And I keep getting the comments that people are saying, hey, I'm in the UK and I could buy it. I'm in the United Kingdom and I could buy it. So I went ahead and used my VPN, right? Changed my location to the United Kingdom. And I wanted to see what were the options of the Surface Duo 2, right? Because I always get those comments, and yet, in America, this phone has been sold out for a year. It doesn't look like Microsoft's going to bring it back to the website anytime soon. There's shortages going on, / Microsoft probably does not really care too much about this device anymore. So there's a whole entire slew of issues, right? That it doesn't seem like Microsoft is amped up to go out and try to revive this device. Now, of course, will they do that when the Duo 3 does get, revealed / leaked? It's very possible. Get people excited and they can drop this device again. But they dropped Android 12L and this phone is still sold out everywhere. So my guess is the Duo 2 is not going to be flashing up on the market anytime soon. With that being said, though, let's go ahead and go on this website. This is Microsoft.com, but this is the United Kingdom version. So this is if you live in the UK, this is what the website will look like. And you can see right here, yeah, it is in fact not sold out. So if I click on build your device, it will actually take me past this stage to this screen right here. Now, what's really funny, right, is the fact that this screen right here, if I try to load this on my same exact computer, same exact everything, not just this page, but the original page from without my VPN, I will automatically get a screen that says this page is not available. It's not available in America. It's only available in UK. So right here it does say out of stock, the 8GB version at 128 gigabytes, Obsidian model, and the 512 model is of course sold out too. Now, if you buy the Glacier model, the 256 gigabyte is sold out. The 128 gigabyte is available. Kind of interesting. So let's go ahead and just go with the 8 gigabyte version. Obviously, I'm not actually going to buy this because I do not live in the United Kingdom. And I won't be able to actually go ahead and bring it over to America here. So if I go ahead and go to next, now it gives me options and I can add on. So the bumper case, whatever you want to add them to your cart. So again, like I said, just really interesting. I wonder how long before it does become sold out on the United Kingdom's website of Microsoft too. I wonder when that eventually will sell out. At this moment in time, it looks like this is the only place you're really going to find it. Is if you live in the United States, you're kind of out of luck unless you go on eBay, which currently I believe eBay is sitting at a price tag. I want to say eBay currently is like $1,400. It's kind of funny because for the longest time when the Duo 2 was on sale, the price tag of the Surface Duo 2 was like what, $1,000 on sale. On eBay it was like down to like $600, and now the market, I guess you could call it now the market value of this device. Let me go ahead and zoom in for you guys. Let's go to buy it now. Let's go to lowest right here, and we're gonna have to go down a little bit. Obsidian read descriptions, that means it's broken. Usually if it says read description, most times it says broken. So you can see we're talking about $1,000 plus. Now these all sealed versions, right? So obviously they're not like it's completely, it's not like it's a used version, but still these are sealed versions, but still $1,500, $1,000, $1,200, and you would see these exact same phones going for way less when the Duo 2 was in the actual Microsoft store, right? So again, it's gonna be interesting to see what ends up happening in the future, and if this ever becomes a thing where we see the price of these come down. Now it says from United Kingdom, obviously, so if I go ahead and let me go ahead and fly over the ocean real fast. 1 second, guys. I'm just gonna, okay, wow, that was a quick flight. Refresh the page. Okay, now I'm getting from Australia. Now I'm back in America, and it's the same exact prices. Right here we do have a 256 or 128 gigabyte Obsidian model for $700. Oh, okay. Well, read description usually, again, like I said, means broken. Factory unlocked, $849. See again, but 26 watchers, because this is not a common price tag for this. Obsidian model, free shipping. If there's anything wrong with this, doesn't look like there's anything wrong with this. Yeah, no. Again, you will occasionally find this. A lot of people are interested in this one, of course, because again, the price tag. Let's go ahead and actually go to sold listings. Let's see what these are actually selling for. Okay, people can post them up for any price tag they technically want. But what actually matters is the sold listing, and I think there's a side category for this. I believe, yes, right down here, sold items. All right, so 200, but it was damaged. Okay, so obviously we're not looking for ones that are broken. RAM, Obsidian locked, read, which usually means, again, like I said, usually when it says read, it means like, hey, listen, the screen's broken, something's busted, the charging port doesn't work, something's a problem, right? And a lot of these are just going to say read. Can I sort this by, let me sort this by good condition or somewhat decent condition. Not broken, okay? Used. Let's do used, not for parts. So used market for this phone. No, when was this sold? Yeah, that does not say. Oh, there we go. So October 21st of this year. Okay, so a couple months ago, it was sold. Okay, so surprisingly enough, read. Okay, I'm trying to skip past the read ones because again, like I said, those are usually the ones. The reason why. Read listing. It looks like most of these that are sold are literally just broke ones. All right, 550 looks like what it is selling for. $600, $900, $650. Again, you got to keep in mind that this phone is actually at this point now rare to get. It's kind of weird to say this because if you go on Amazon right now, right, you can get the Surface Duo 1 on discount, and it's plentiful, easy to get. You can get it right now without any hassle at all. But the Duo 2 is almost impossible to find on the market right now. And you have to go to sites like eBay to even find this phone. And okay, 128 gigabytes, $649. So it looks like the price tag of this phone is sitting around. I'm trying to look at recent listings because obviously as the time goes on, less and less stocks available. December 2nd, $700. Perfect condition. Was that $600? Not bad. Yeah, okay, so it looks like it's sitting around $600-700. What it is actually selling for now, people will post it for whatever price is, but I kind of wanted to see, you know, kind of judge the market of where this is selling. Not bad. Not bad. All right, overall wise, I gotta say, I can't wait to see what the future will hold because I can't wait to see how this, once this phone does go ahead and eventually does not get sold out in America and we can actually buy it in America, what the price tag will look like for this market. And if we do get a Duo 3, what would the trade-in value be? And also if we're ever going to get a Duo 2 again. Because this is really freaking weird. You never see this happen with a cell phone. To a point where it's almost impossible to find. Again, like I said, you can still find it, you know, certain places, but it's really just out of stock everywhere. With that being said, guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I want to go look at this today, kind of give a, you know, an update on this because I know right now the market is really weird on the Duo 2. I haven't made many videos on it because, in all honesty, there's not much to talk about anymore with the Duo 2. You know, the Duo 1, if anything, I still rock it as my daily driver. I'm still going ahead and using it every single day, and I love it. Duo 2, I do love that device too, but I don't know. It's interesting. Guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.